Hi everyone, today I'd like to teach you how to say and write hygiene in Chinese. So in Chinese we say 卫生, 卫生. So these days we talk about hygiene a lot because of the coronavirus. We need to keep ourselves clean and wash our hands all the time. So hygiene is very important to every one of us. All right. So in Chinese, 卫生, 卫生. And you see how these two characters are written. So sometimes you will hear like for toilets, we'll say 卫生间. 卫生间 is like a place for hygiene. So 卫生, 卫生. So I hope everybody will pay attention to your hygiene, 卫生, and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. See you.